Find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence where the fifth term is 19 and the ninth term is 27. Now, we always struggle in this particular chapter coming up with sequences that require you to use the math, like the formulas, versus, and also keeping in mind that we want you to be able to understand the sequence. So we could use some crazy decimals and things, and but then it really makes it hard for you guys to check your work. So I know that a lot of you right now can sit there and look and go, okay, from the fifth term to the ninth term, we have 4 steps, right? And the sequence increased from 19 to 27. So it increased 8, went up by 8 in 4 steps. What's the common difference? 2. Then you go back to a sub 5 and you go, okay, well, I'm at 19. Subtract 2 4 more times, and you can get to your a sub 1 term. So I really didn't use any math. I just, thinking out loud, we can get the answer. Okay? To prove that you understand it, to get full credit, you're going to have to write it out in a mathematical form. So, if my fifth term is 19, I'm going to write my answer is 19. I guess it could be on the left or the right, doesn't matter. My a sub 1, I don't know. I'm going to write it out so you can see it. 5 minus 1 times d. Right? I know what my answer is. I know it's the fifth term. It's just that I don't know a sub 1 or d. I can do the same thing for my ninth term, which is 27. How many unknowns do we have in this problem?
2.
How many equations do I have written down? 2. So what we really have is 19 equals a sub 1 plus 4d, and 27 equals a sub 1 plus 8d. So I've got the system of equations. Probably the easiest thing would be to just subtract this. What's 19 minus 27? Negative 8. What happens when I say a1 minus a1? That's gone. So 4 minus 8d is negative 4d. Divide by negative 4. And your d value, or common difference, ends up being 2. Which we kind of, I mean, you already probably knew it by looking at it when we thought out loud. If d is equal to 2, we just want to plug it back into one of the original equations. Let's just go right here. And that would be 19 equals a sub 1 plus 4 times 2. So I'm putting the 2 in for my d. So we'll subtract 8 on both sides. And I get my a sub 1 is 11. So the final answer that we'd want to write down is that the rule for finding this arithmetic sequence is 11, which is a sub 1, plus n minus 1 times 2. Find the ninth term of the arithmetic sequence whose first 2 terms are 1 and 6. So the problem here is, what are we missing? We're missing the common difference. So they come out and tell us, though, hey, you're dealing with the arithmetic sequence. So a sub 1 is 1, and a sub 2 is 6. Now, normally I would never make an assumption that this is arithmetic or geometric or anything based on 2 terms, right? But it came out and told us it's arithmetic, so that's kind of the key to this problem is think in terms of arithmetic. How do you go from 1 to 6? D equals 5. It's going up by 5. So when you put 5 in there, now my a sub 9 is equal to 8 times 5, which is 40, plus 1 is 41.